Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto Gems. It's Guy here, and in today's video you're going to hear about an amazing project that actually includes a digital world where you can play, build, create, and actually make money while trading assets and much more. So make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is Decentraland and how you can actually benefit this project and might make a lot of money. And during this process of making money, you will enjoy the process, which is actually makes much more appealing and will bring more people to play with you, but will help you to make even more because it's a game that you want to play with other people as well. You won't do that alone. So first of all, as you can see, you can create, explore, and trade in the first ever virtual world owned by its users. I'm positive that 99% of you heard about the metaverse and all of this idea of creating digital world that you can actually be in. It's a duplicate of our world, but better because you can actually create their things that you can't make just appear in our world. Now, as you can see in here, you can actually explore different worlds, and as you can see, you can create your avatars and you can lose yourself in an amazing and evolving world. You can explore lands that owns by users. You can create your own and experience an incredible scenes and structures, and from a space of adventure and to do different mazes, go to different villages and stuff like that, and actually become part of different communities. By the way, I think that as a business perspective, when you're looking at it for the long term, you see that when you have a game that you can actually explore and do a lot of activities that are evolving and building and expanding, it means that people will spend a lot of time. And in our world, you know that attention is the most expensive and worth. And the beauty is that it's all decentralized, what makes everything much more discreet, and that you can be whoever you want in there. Now, by the way, besides the idea that you can actually tour and travel, you can actually create and actually test the limits of imagination. As I said in the beginning, you don't have to create things that only can exist in our world, but you can create scenes and artworks, and you can do challenges, and using simple builders tool. Like, you don't need to be an amazing coder in order to create something beautiful, and you can actually take part in different events. You will be able to actually win prizes in the game, what will actually help you to create more things that are available in the different games that you can do in this amazing platform. The SDK provides the tools to fill the world with social games and applications, meaning that you don't need to do anything. You can just start building by playing in the game. By the way, they have an amazing community that you can actually ask any question that you want. So for example, they have on Twitter over 300,000 followers and very engaging community. And as you can see, there are a lot of retweets there, and they're announcing different events and stuff like that, about different airdrops and stuff like that. So it will be a great idea, in my opinion, if you want to become part of this community and actually take advantage of the best of this project. I would totally recommend you to follow them, and also to get into the Discord to actually make the most of it by just clicking on the top of the website in here, join our Discord. Besides creating, you can actually trade, meaning that the virtual destinations for digital assets is in here, okay? Meaning that, for example, exactly like in the world, in our world, that you can actually buy and sell lands. So in there, you can actually sell avatars that are wearable with names. And the beauty is that in the Decentralized Marketplace, they're stocking the very best digital goods, and it's backed by the Ethereum blockchain, meaning that everything is documented in smart contract that you can actually see them. Now, about decentralized, so you can determine the future of the virtual world in here yourself. Because it's decentralized, it means that it's controlled by the DAO. You have the ability to take part of the decision and actually to vote in order to make changes and adjustments in the world, to actually make adjustments to make it the best possible. You can read in their blog different articles that will explain you even more how you can actually get started, and you can contact them if you have any questions or concern in their Discord and also in their Twitter. Now, by the way, in here you can actually see that when you click in here, you can actually get to their builder, and as you can see in here, that you will have different options that you can start, and also they have different events. So make sure, if you want to benefit as best as possible and actually to have a chance to win different rewards, I would totally recommend you to actually sign up to their different events. And as you can see, there are different that you can just jump in. Now, what is Decentraland DAO? So the DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. It means that the Decentraland DAO owns the most important smart contracts and assets that make up Decentraland, and the land contracts and the estates contracts and wearables, it also owns by substantial portion of mana, which allows it to be truly autonomous as well. And the reason that the DAO actually created that, it was part of their original vision to hand over control to the people who actually create and play in the virtual space. And that way, like, think about it, you are going to create your own world, which in my opinion is incredible. And you can actually create different places and different activities for different gamers that are going to play as well. And during this process of playing, you will be able also to trade and to make money and to make business, which I think it's incredible. Now, their decentralized token called Mana, worth $4.81 a token, and I think that it can be a great opportunity because they're currently a big project, but they can grow much more, because as you'll know, all the idea of metaverse and different digital worlds is just in the beginning. And you know that about all the noise on social media and a lot of other places, you know that when something is talked about a lot and there are a lot of advantages, a big chunk of the market actually takes advantage and actually get in. So if you want to be one of the first that might have the chance to enjoy the fruits, being one of the first in this marketplace, I would totally recommend you to go to their website Decentralized by clicking the link down below, or go to coinmarketcap.com and actually type decentralized mana and you will be able to find it. As you can see, their market cap is over $8 billion. The volume in the past 24 hours was more than $1 billion. Now their total supply is a little bit over 2 billion, and I know that it sounds a lot, but it's actually something that can actually end very fast. So if you're interested, go to their website and read about them, because as you can see that even if you're not a gamer, you can see in this product that it might be a great opportunity, because you know how passionate the audience of gamers, and a lot of them have deep pockets that they're love to spend in different games. By the way, if you want to see the different exchanges in CoinMarketCap in order to purchase different tokens, so let's take Decentraland for example, all you need to do is or to click on exchange or actually to scroll down, and then you will be able to see where you can actually trade the coins. And even more, you can actually see Decentraland Market and actually see the pairs, meaning that you can see, for example, their token Mana, whether if you want to trade it, like for example, trade Mana with USDT or with Bitcoin or stuff like that. And if you want to find even more, you can just click and see all markets, and then you will be able to see even more options. So for summary, if you're interested to get started with Decentralized, which is an amazing decentralized platform that you can create, explore, and trade in the first ever virtual world that is owned by its users, I would totally recommend you to go to their website by clicking the link down below. And if you want to learn more about them, go to their social medias, go to their website and click on docs, read about them, and then understand what opportunities you can actually take advantage of here in order to make money and also enjoy the process. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.